Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. I just want to tell you something. Yes, so I bought this RGB cooler or a RAM radiator. RGB is just a light, so D50 RAM radiator it calls with RGB. So this. Normally this is something for like 4 RAM sticks, as you can see it. 4. It's white here and it has 4 RAM sticks. So I took this computer, it's a completely brand new computer, and you see here that there is only 2 RAM sticks. And then you see you have to put it like that. Yes, it can fit. It can fit, but it is not optimal because only 2 RAM sticks in the white hold it here. So I'm not sure about that. So this cooler is more for like 4 RAM sticks, but it is possible to use it with 2 RAM sticks. And we are going to install this now just for a test if it works with 2 RAM sticks. But please hold on because I go to do something still. Hold on 1 second. Yes, I had to use a little bit more light so that you can see it better. So this is from metal here, and you can, yeah, it's a little bit flexible. So, and with this little bit flex you can put it over. So there are mounts here, 2 above and 2 below, and there you click, somehow you click it onto that. So I go to try it just like that. Voila. And then on the bottom also voila. So this is with 2 RAM sticks, as you can see it. Yeah, it doesn't look nice, to be honest. So as you can see it, the cooler for the cooler for the CPU and the RAM cooler is, yeah, it sucks. It really sucks. It doesn't look nice, to be honest. Maybe this is good for water cooling, but yeah, if you go to use the CPU water cooler and then for the RAM cooler airflow, yeah, what's the point? And you better can use a water cooler for both, for the RAM sticks and for the CPU cooler. So to be honest, my first opinion about this system is that it's crap. It's shit. It doesn't look nice. You see it. What is this? This combination, I don't like it. So I bought this, and to be honest, it's not good. But I still have another computer. This is only with 2 RAM sticks, and I'll also have a computer with 4 RAM sticks. And I go to test this with 4 RAM sticks, and so we go to see what it goes to do there. So with the 4 RAM sticks, maybe this gives a better result. I hope so. Please hold on 1 second. I go to put the camera onto the computer with the 4 RAM sticks. But I still go to remove this first. So yeah, then you can see it. I just pull a little bit here onto it and it goes clicks over it. Voila. So it's a little bit flexible, so you can open it. We now go to the computer with 4 RAM sticks. Hello again. So as you can see it, I just moved the camera to a computer with 4 RAM sticks there. Here you see it. There are 4 RAM sticks there. But I already see it. It is the same problem. If I put this RAM cooler onto the RAM, then it will be in the front of the CPU cooler. And to be honest, it will again looks like a piece of shit. So yeah, it's a piece of shit. I don't like it in any way. Yeah, this system, this RAM cooling system, to be honest, it looks like crap. It's a piece of shit, if I can tell it like this. So you can see it. This is the white. If I have to click it over, I'm not even going to do that because yeah, it sucks. It doesn't look good, to be honest. This RAM cooler, yeah, it's useless. It's completely useless. For me, it's completely useless because yeah, it doesn't look nice. It's in the front of the CPU cooler, And if you do the CPU cooler away and you use a water cooler, why the hell you go to use a RAM cooler with airflow? So that doesn't make any sense. Who go to use this? Nobody. So this item, to be honest, it doesn't look good. And then on the other side, the RAM sticks that I have does already have some heatsink around it. So because of that heatsink, you can be sure that that the RAM is enough cooled, that it has enough cooling, and you also can blow airflow from another cooler on the side panel from the computer case onto it. So this here is yeah, how do you say it? Useless. Who go to use such a RAM cooler? Maybe somebody that heavily overclocks it. But then still the question comes: if you go to heavily overclock it, is this sufficient? Is this enough? I think you possibly need water cooling. So yeah, they invented something. Not that it is extremely bad, but it's bad because who go to use this? Not much people. There is not much people that go to use a stupid RAM cooler to cool RAM in the front of the CPU and like this. It looks like shit. If you put it onto it in the front of the CPU cooler, it looks like complete shit. It doesn't look nice. And the RAM is already, for me, it's already cooled enough. So I give it a no-go. I'm not even going to test it. As you can see it's in the front of it. Just, it even is that length. So it doesn't look nice. It's crap. So yes, this was it. Thank you and bye bye. Don't forget to like this video, because if you like this we can create more content of these, and if you subscribe you can win nice prizes. Subscribers of our channel can win a lot of good things. They can win laptops, computer stuff, all kind of stuff. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then yeah, I will see you later and bye bye.